Mastering footwork variations in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're exploring an intriguing concept: footwork variations. This phrase might sound complex, but don't worry, we'll break it down together. Whether you're a dancer, a sports enthusiast, or just curious about English expressions, this video is for you. Footwork refers to the way in which someone moves their feet, especially in sports, dancing, or any activity that requires a particular skill with the feet. Variations, on the other hand, are differences within the same category or activity. So, footwork variations are different ways or techniques of moving your feet. This can include changes in rhythm, speed, direction, and style. Understanding footwork variations is crucial in fields like dancing, where expressing oneself uniquely is key, or in sports, where agility and unpredictability can give you an edge over your opponents. Dancing. In dancing, footwork variations are the essence of creativity and expression. Each dance style, be it salsa, ballet, hip-hop, or tango, has its own set of footwork variations that dancers master to tell a story or convey emotions through their movements. Sports. In sports, such as soccer, basketball, or boxing, footwork variations help athletes to maneuver quickly, maintain balance, and outsmart their opponents. Good footwork is often the foundation of a strong athletic performance. Everyday life. Even in everyday life, understanding the concept of footwork variations can be useful. It's about the way we adapt our movements in different situations, whether we're navigating through a crowded space or participating in a friendly game. 1. Understand the basics. Start with the basic movements of your activity and get comfortable with them. 2. Practice regularly. Consistency is key. Practice your footwork regularly to improve agility and precision. 3. Watch experts. Learn from professionals by watching their performances or games. Notice how they use footwork variations to their advantage. 4. Experiment. Don't be afraid to try out new footwork patterns. Creativity is essential for mastering variations. 5. Get feedback. Work with a coach or a more experienced peer to get constructive feedback on your footwork. We hope this video has shed some light on the concept of footwork variations and why they're so important across various activities. Remember, mastering footwork variations can significantly enhance your skills, whether you're dancing, playing a sport, or just moving through life more gracefully. Keep practicing, stay curious, and as always, thank you for watching. We look forward to seeing you in our next video.